Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Ducati Street Fighter S 1098. This bike is in excellent condition. It's had a very light tip over on the left hand side, but it's super minimal. So I'll show you what we found, the gear that's on it, and then we will fire it up for you. The Street Fighter S has got a lot of nice stuff on it. Carbon fiber front fender, front tires in excellent condition, comes with ASV levers. I do have a little rub mark here on the edge of this mirror. Comes with a tank pad, bunch of carbon fiber covers, an open clutch basket, twin Termi exhaust, a comfort passenger seat, fender eliminator, back tire as well is in great shape. Doesn't look like they have a lot of miles on them, so. Did notice a couple of little nicks here on the gas tank right next to the tank pad. They're really hard to see. So here on the tip over on the left, got some damage here on the end of the ASV lever and the back of the mirror. So like I said, really minimal. Still an incredible looking motorcycle. $75.66 is what's on this bike. This 1098S Street Fighter will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more
accessories.
Oh, thank you, Lucy. So, thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.